Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
E tā wale mai o le leo seo le a avea mau sui fifilia mo lau saufanga i nupi wha. O le tūlanga i whaingo fia i nupi wha na whasafua lau saufanga ma whamanianga mai nupi wha. Mo e pele ma mamai ati oi. Asa suwane se ofisa nupi wha la tāne. Te wala au mai le ono wha, balu o o.
Tāwhalawa Samoa, I'm Jack Ty-Leben. For any competition, I'm all about speed, skills, culture, and of course, my tactics. Wa'ua leo.
Siwa e au wala i se te unga tupe mo le lumana i manuia. E mo le puipuinga tau tupe o lo soifua, mai mawhai o na tauna no atu, mo so se mahua anga i te whina ngalo iai.
Samoa Life, le insiua mo tangata nuu o Samoa.
We're here to give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota.
Vili magai lewa maua. Kopi manguele kapungia. Koperi rope maua ngai.
A feel my nei loyal Federal Pacific Finance. No so mana onga tau tupe ba. Serving Samoa's finance.
I may now call upon Detective Superintendent Daniel Hagen of the AFP Samoa for your comments.
Thank you, Assistant Commissioner. Commissioner, Deputy, thank you for making time today. My AFP colleagues, the participants who did such a fantastic job the last 2 weeks, and our guests, including those from the media. Welcome and thank you for joining us this afternoon. Firstly, I want to thank the Samoa Police for trusting the Australian Federal Police as part of the Samoa Australia Police Partnership, which has been going since 2009, for trusting us with delivering this training. It's not the first time we've delivered this training, but I'm proud to say that while we delivered it in 2013, delivered it in 2017, this is the first time we've delivered it in a trainer-trainer model. And we've delivered it to a unit who are one of the most outstanding representations of the Commissioner's vision in the Samoa Police. We always see them out on the road, we see them high visibility, and for us, we see them working diligently every day to keep Samoa safe, which is an amazing thing. So our AFP instructors have been here for the last 2 weeks. Out of this training, we've run 2 courses. We have 3 qualified trainers. We have 16 officers now trained in the Bicycle Patrol Officers Program, and we achieved 100% pass mark, which is representative of this unit and how they perform. And with this in mind, I'd like to really thank and recognise Inspector Albert and Corporal Alex for the outstanding leadership that you show and that you drive your unit to achieve each day. You're a credit to the organisation, and thank you for working with us all the time. To our AFP trainers from our driver training unit, Clint, Alan, thank you for making our life really easy and for bringing your expertise here to Samoa. I know talking to the participants, they were thrilled to have you and really engage you. And talking to you, you spoke glowingly of not only the participants' passion, but also the trainers who you described to the Assistant Commissioner earlier as being outstanding, dedicated, passionate and excellent trainers who have done you out of a job. They are now at the standard where they can take this course forward, they can deliver this course as needed by the Commissioner, which is imperative as we lead into CHOGM 2024. And this is part of our build-up, our training build-up and partnership with Samoa Police to build the skills and the capabilities for CHOGM 2024. And with that in mind, I'm pleased to advise and announce to the Commissioner that the AFP, through the Samoa Australia Police Partnership, will add funds to replace the uniforms, ensuring that they are up to the standard recognised by the unit, deliver spare parts to ensure that the bikes that we gifted last year maintain that high standard, and also purchase safety equipment to ensure that the riders who are representing Samoa are safe and are a demonstration to the public. So I'm pleased to announce that today. But this today is more than just the closing of the Bicycle Patrol Officers Program. It's also the handing over of 8 new e-bikes, the first for the Samoa Police, and one of the first, if not the first, police service within the Pacific to hold this capability. As the AFP, as the Australian Government, we recognise that climate change affects the Pacific more than any other area on Earth. And we've seen the UN Development Project partner with EPC to explore using electric vehicles and vessels to transform transportation in Samoa. We want to join with that cause and work with Samoa Police, and these e-bikes are the first step. We hope that they provide an avenue to patrol villages where there aren't roads, where it's too far to walk, and to enhance the ability to engage with the community of Samoa. I'd like to welcome from Recon Bikes Cesar De Jesus, who will be delivering training to the participants over the next 2 days, culminating a full 2 weeks of bicycle and e-bike training. We hope that the training has been fruitful. We hope that what we deliver and we deliver each day is to the benefit of your organisation and to Samoa. And we thank you for continuing to partner with the Australian Federal Police and with Australia as we look forward to CHOGM 2024. Thank you.
Thank you, Dan, for your remarks. But before I came into this ceremony, the feedback that I received from the instructors was very good. I can say excellent. Even for a member of the executive to listen to this feedback, I am super proud of all the participants in this training. I would like to call upon Commissioner Paulo Mutino for your remarks.
Before I say something in English, I'd like to say a few words in Samoan to my officers. You can bear with me for a couple of minutes. After you to love Somali, Fairut, Somaltai, Joya, Mortal Salamo, Warfamo, Liaso. I feel film and Sukomsino, Ulema, Messi Foi, I whaiaonga me Australia. Pea whaivaenga le miliu whaiantatu o nei tūrai asu. Ia e whakitoa mo I lātou le sa whapeona awa winga le lea onga tāua. O le aso, o se history le tonu o tanga wano reo ua whai ona tātou whaongaina ia I Bicyle, o electrical bikes as they say. Whai whaongaina I le tisi. O nila asu, mato fia o wai olo sko kia leo o ia leo wa onga le lea onga. Ma o tofu ila, leo whama wimo ko I mo I le history o tanga wano leo o ko ua mo whaonga ia ko I ngā wila ia. Ele mo moni wila wa pia I bikes wa pia na whaongaina leo o toula, leo whama wino o tosu o toula mo mua ua pasi ato tō e whaongaina o wila e nga taho leo I mali instructor tō tōru instructor leo musu me ia le e training o leo ua mai o na wanga waa maua leo pasi ato tō e whaatino ina mwhaua wina ia o mane mo lumana ia mesefo o fuafuanga I tōre mai inista tō wila wa pia o le aunga ia whamoe moe le tanga runga mesefo mato ua titino mau malpurenga ina ia maua lava le tūranga leo le visibility o le ngata I tauranga a o le so tanga le mau tato nuku I tua nuku mafia anga I tua o le ilfufuanga e ave nisi uila I tua I tato pou I tua e ave whaonga I tato pou I tua ina ia whawhengo fia whati no mo o ala tofu I ngā ruenga ai o tapenanga o mani o lo tato tapenanga mo tato tanga malole mo le tausangfo e tauti e tali malole I le fontanga le whaimini a taitai o malole taupulenga so nei la auli ma nei tūla le asu mo le tūla whaftai tele suma I whaiaonga ia mei Australia tawa peon whati duina lea o ia misi whao tō ia sa awai lea o ongo tatou mo le manatu mo lunga fule whamoe moe nei tūla le asu wao ngā ia o ngā sa whati duina awa o tō whaia whale o mea tō tino ni o mea tō tino ni e le whai mo fia o mea tō tino na fo ai me malo Australia e le whai mo fia na maua tatou malo ni tō ngā a seta whapea e whaftai malo Australia leo wha awala mai ia nei mea tō tino awa ia whatino ngō tatou tino ia me se fu tatou ngaruna whai mo tapenanga atu mo tatou tanga malo le I le tausangfo mai aula ia ia o whai masui o le whioma I le minister ia me se fu I le tanga rungo min le tatou malo I mo le toi whaftai tele ia I le taitai o leo sinia me Australia Daniel Evans ia me se fu ia whai au e le ngata o whatino ino le o onga le mo o tau ia rings mai tai leo leo a le fo ina me fo o nei wila e wak o le tau au whai lena tau mea nei o le tau o wila e wak se lau limas fu wafe tā la sa mo wila e wak leo fo wak me nei le malo Australia mo tātou e le whai ngō fie le tau ngō fie so wa ula ia au tau ia la tau a veina ia wila ni tau tua nā mautu nei mea tō tino e le tau ngō fie e le maua ngō fie a ia whaongata tau mai tōwa aia le lei whaatino le lei ia tūranga le nā o ina i o tō e whaiao e le ngato le o le pōlesi ina o le wila o le fūruma o le wila o le vaai po sanga le mu le wila ia mautino ai tele yoso I mo le wila titi o mautino e folo e muni ta ia o nga ia whai a nga mo o ele mana o mia e o whai a nga ia o toi fo I o Australia ai la vea mi se wila tātou bea su fo o ina la e wha amaro loa ia margaka nga bea su fo pe ala vea mi se na wila Eu whare sa ora tu ranga na muli tai. Ne o mana o tu e whai a onga i te uto. O wani to o a whai mistu ranga i le tanto whai. E leo ni wila e te alu i whai inyau whi au tō a ina. Ia pe te alu i whai inyau inu ngā pia. Sa lapon tō whai atu ranga. Pa ngā tau a sita. Ar tatou tanga ruenga e mese o a sita maru le ufo a ina. E ta wala mai le uso leo Australia. So te whaftai e toi malo Australia. Ne tu sai manei me alofa o ufo ina mai mo tātou. Good afternoon. Tarufa lava everyone. Detective Superintendent Daniel Evans. Members of Samoa Australia Police Partnership. Members of the Samoa Executive. Instructors, Senior Constable Glenn Gordon and Alan Young, participants of this course. Today is a history in the making for the Samoa Police Service to come together to witness not only the official closing of Bicycle Patrol Officers Training, but especially the handover of the 8 Recon Power Bike Interceptor electric bikes by the Samoa Australia Police Partnership to the Ministry of Police, Prisons and Corrections. These bikes are capable of reaching the speed of 45 kilometers per hour and are equipped with police lights and service bags. This is not the first time the Australian Federal Police have offered valuable donations to the Ministry of Police through the Samoa Australia Police Partnership Program, but also the capacity building of our officers to be up there to the level that is required to actually improve the standard of our service delivery to the public. The Bicycle Patrol Officers Training and the e-bikes being donated today will greatly assist the ministry as it coincides with its preparation for the CHACOM meeting next year, as well as improving the standard of our service delivery on a daily basis. I hope the graduates today will utilize the skills and the knowledge they have received from the training to ensure the proper use, maintenance of these expensive assets, as well as looking after them like their own. This also serves as a reminder to members of the ministry to use these assets wisely for the long run, especially for the benefit of the community. So on behalf of the Government of Samoa and the Minister of Police, Prisons and Corrections, Honourable Fawalo Harry Schuster, the Executive and the Ministry as a whole, I would like to express our gratitude and our appreciation to the Government of Australia and its people through the Samoa Australia Police Partnership Program for these assets that are being donated here today. A special thanks to Detective Superintendent Daniel Evans for considering our request. I also thank the instructors for availing your time to travel over for the delivery of this training. I have been told that the cost for the 8 e-bikes that will be donated today is approximately 150,000 Samoan tala. Today, I declare that the Bicycle Patrol Officers Training is now closed. It is also a pleasure to receive the donation of the e-bikes from the Government of Australia. May God bless Australia, may God bless Samoa, may God bless everyone who witnessed this program today. So if you may be
Te atu la ufiona e konsia, tala le lau fai pui, mo le sa mga masa ni tie, pala i kai fui, ia me tatu au te wila, mai au rato, ahoma. Thank you, Commissioner Kapau, for those wonderful remarks, a word of encouragement to all our bike unit members. Leo o manitei o le tuftufaina o tātou Tusi ia e wala lotu i lau whiona i e tau awina tusi pasi i lau tau. O le ua tūlanga mua ai sana Yeremia. Sana Yeremia, wapinga wenga I te nei na henga o rina. Sana wenga o reo. That's your turn. Thank you. Constable, Yetitaya, and Pasa. Yetitaya, Constable, Studio, and Tama, Lulu, Vahenga, Fight Unit. Nei. Ata Junior Afoa. Ata Junior Afoa, Wenga, I le Vahenga Fight Unit, I te nei. E mo le sili whiawhoi, o le tokotonu le nā mo moatu. Corporal Sana, Yetitaya, Ata, o I la tō ia o whāwina I le tūranga tau whaia haonga, instructors, I le Vahenga Fight Bicyle. Apaula Nasa. Tumatele leo Apaula o whainga luna nei, I le Vahenga au nana la tele. I lai kun wayu. Olo whainga luna te nei, se li leo leo le Vahenga au nana la tele. Ono sai e noka. So, o sai o whainga luna nei, I Vahenga TV. O leo ua, e te tanko mai tana apu, na e te leo spas. Elijah, so walu. So na Elijah, se li leo leo lo whainga luna I le tena polisi. Before you tour a sal, B or before of in a winner, it is I am not by unit. Benitia, Benny, you said the Lord of in a winner, it is not take. Rosalui Fauna. Sir. Sungaya Rosalui.
Takarade da makarpai unity for that.
Ali leo fina mbele ile ofisi au leo ferata. Au nesse ifi. Sungaya nesse que leo fina mbele onde vai mal pai unit. So foi mono. So foi, se li leo, o foi no fina mbele ele pai unit. Famatuainu. Violet Peterson.
Sir.
Violet or Penguin by unit. Vanu Asumanu. Yep. Sumaya Vanu or Penguin by unit. Yetaya Panpasa or to Spasio. Yetaya. Sir. Kennedy Simanu. Kennedy Simanu, Sedidolo, Fingalunga, Polisi. Paul Clementi. Matoreua, Maya Stasio Vanga Taua, or Tato Samina Nifiaf, Yalewa Tato Tonumai, Ilevana Tonu, Tato Pukalame, or ACCI, Yatato Willa appearances today. Eta Yomanat, Oleonia, I Tato Solina. Yeah, on the data wa maelea mwana sisi mata boy wila uhape naona tata naina tatu mtana lema mai mata mai talia. Yeah, I'd like to call upon you, sir, for a demonstration of our new bikes.
Right here. First of all, I want to thank everybody for allowing me. It's a humbling experience to represent my company, Recon, and come out to Samoa to give you a good tool for policing. I'm a retired police officer, been it for many years. However, I didn't have an e-bike. I had a regular mountain bike, so I was always sweating a lot and always tired. But this tool here, this bike, is going to be a benefit to law enforcement. It's going to help you. In the United States, we call it community policing. It can allow you to connect with your community. You can respond to scenes out there on a bike versus a car, things of that nature. So tomorrow, in the next couple of days, I'm going to show you how to work the bike, how to manipulate it, how to ride it, and the training you acquired from these two gentlemen are going to be so beneficial to you, especially with this bike. So I'm going to start the bike, just to give you an idea. So the bike itself weighs about 85 pounds. Okay, it's a heavy bike. It rides like a mountain bike, however, it has a motor on it. So he's going to turn it on, power up the bike itself. And what you're going to realize is on this bike here, you have 5 stages of pedal assist. So as you ride, it assists you in 5 stages. So from 1st to 5th. And in first gear, it gets you up to about 9 miles an hour. And you can get this up to about 30 miles an hour. So that's pretty quick for a bicycle. If you look here, it has a throttle, so it will turn the rear wheel as you ride. So as you pedal, the same thing. When you pedal your bike, the motor is going to kick in and assist you as long as you're pedaling. When you stop pedaling, the motor is going to cut off and you just rev the bike itself. Do you have any questions, sir?
Did you want to just show us that it's got lights and sirens?
Oh, yeah. So in policing, you know, you have to have a siren, not a whistle. So you got a little siren there. So when you're chasing someone, you can chase them. Okay. You have lights on the bike itself. You got regular running lights, so front light will turn on, and a red light in the back. So as you ride the bike, even day or night, it's visible so they can see you. Also, when you're on pursuit, you have different levels of pursuit. Just regular responding to a call in service, or if you're in pursuit, you hold down the button, and the lights itself will, and it's out of battery power. Oh, here we go. So if you look at it here, then it goes into a different pattern. Okay, so once we go to class tomorrow, I'll teach you how to manipulate the button and things of that nature. This gentleman here told me about riding a bike. In America, same thing. Thumb is easy, index finger is harder to ride. Okay? Remember that it's the same thing on these mountain bikes. So as you're riding them, I'm going to teach you when you're going up a hill how to manipulate the gearing. So it's easier to ride uphill. What's unique is that you have your motor that's going to help you. Another feature of the bike that I think is important to understand is that it has a lower center of gravity. So on mountain bike patrol, a lot of officers would have a tendency to lock their brakes and they would go over the front of the bike. This bike's too heavy, that's not going to happen. So it's going to, you're not going to have any injuries due to an officer going over the bars. Anything else you want me to cover, sir?
How long does the battery last?
Okay, so the battery on regular patrol, so anywhere from 8 to 12 hours on a battery charge with a range of 50 miles or more. You know, we say just 50 miles, but now officers, if they're riding the bike like a regular bike, they can get 50, 55, 60, up to 70 miles on the charge. So it depends on your patrol district, if they're sailors or not, or if they're running on a priority 1 run, things of that nature.
So you can put GPS locator on that bike?
You can purchase a GPS locator for the bikes themselves, but what's unique on this bike here is you can charge your cell phone with the bike. We have developed, and it's coming out in our next series of bikes, where it's going to have a mapping system incorporated with the display of the bike. And GPS will locate officers.
So, how many miles did you say the battery can last for?
Minimum 50 miles. Yeah, 50 miles.
So
now, if you're doing lots of hills, or if an officer is just using the throttle, obviously it's going to go down to about 18 miles.
So, in our metric kilometres, that's 80 kilometres.
Yeah.
So that's to the airport and back 2 or 3 times.
Exactly. When I drove from the airport this morning, I was thinking this bike could be used. It's feasible. You could take it around the island if you had to.
Can you charge?
Yeah. So the battery. No, it's not your radio. You can charge your cell phone. On your cell phone. But the bike, you can charge the bike with the battery inside the bike or outside. And what we call a hot swap of batteries. So let's say you're on patrol and battery's going down, and all they have to do is just bring it in, swap the batteries, and you continue to go. And so the battery takes from 4.5 to 5 hours to fully charge.
So Steve's here delivering the training over the next 2 days.
So I'll teach them how to, not quite like your guys, they're going to modify it.
And I think just probably the other point is, these are specially designed for policing. Recon power bikes designed these for policing, and we did a lot of research around the world to work out what was the best. So these have all been purchase package shipped all the way from the US because we think that these are the best bikes.
And piggyback off that, when a police department has an issue with the bike, they call our company, they're gonna talk to one of us. It's a direct call, it's either me, one of our mechanics, our boss, that nature. So we actually help officers troubleshoot the bike. So if they have an issue, we can walk them through how to repair it. It's an easy bike. We take to any bike shop and they can repair the bike. However, except for the motor and the battery, that's gonna have to give us a call so we can direct it.
Thank you very much.
I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the demonstration. I'm sure the Commissioner of Police would love to have you around for quite some time in case of maintenance.
Oh, yeah, I will. And we developed a course, sir, for maintenance mechanics. I don't know if they would want to fly out, but what I can do though, we can